Okay, so I'm going to start you from the street view so you can see what we're doing here. Here's the house. Here's the street. And there's Garden Grove Elementary pretty much right up there on the right. Street view. So then we're going to come up here and here's the house that's right off of the main road there. And here's the front of the house. 1-car garage, it looks like, with a black door, which is interesting. And here's the little walkway up to the door. And here's John Marchetti, what he looks like. Alright, so we're going to walk in. Looks like when you first walk in, it's like a main living room. And here's an idea of what you're looking at. Front door. And then the view outside is to the road there. And then also on the left of the front door is a closet, I guess. Looks like some kind of closet here. And the floor is tile. I do see like a little spider web on the bottom of the floor, but I guess that's to be expected since it's been vacant since 2009. There is the border, and then right here in the living room is the air conditioner panel. Now, I'm going to take you to the garage first, and then we'll do an outside look. So this is the garage door right off of the living room. There's the front door. It's locked. So I'll open that. Looks like 1-car garage. Water heater. There's washer and dryer hookups out here. It's pretty, it looks like a garage. Looks like it's probably automatic. Yeah, there's a plug up there. So there's an automatic garage door opener, but it's only 1 car, so you and John get to fight over that. Yay! Anyway, there's the button, I'm assuming. And I don't know what that's for. It looks like maybe I don't know. Okay, so that's right off of the kitchen and the living room. So you walk in, so here's the front door over to the kitchen. Walk in from the garage and you're right in the kitchen.